Hi, and welcome to the second season of My Real Sources Quick Tips. I'm Debbie Fajardo, Director of Education, and we're continuing to bringing you the tips you've grown to love. We've got great content to help you navigate Paragon and all of the great resources we have. I hope you'll enjoy today's quick tip. Once you know where to look to make your changes in your Collab Center, you'll find it's fairly easy. So I'm going to go to my contacts. I want to view and manage to make changes. I'll simply select my client that needs a change, so that's Lisa. From here, I'll select my buyer activity or your seller activity if you need to make changes in your seller notifications. So I'll select my buyer. And then here are the searches that I have for her. So I'm going to go into the gross point search, and then you'll want to go into the settings of the automatic notifications. To edit the search itself, you'll want to go up to the blue bar and hit Edit Search. You can also resend that invitation if necessary. So I'm going to go in and change the settings. Here are your notification options right in the middle. Both the client and the agent are grouped together. So if you need your client to now be on immediate notifications, just simply select immediately, and as soon as a new listing or a change comes onto the market, your client will be notified immediately. Now when you want to change from immediate to recurring, remember, you'll need to set the time frame. And for this client, I have her at weekly, just on Wednesdays at 7 a.m. Yep, this one's just a little different. She'd like a weekly report because remember, Lisa Harris is actually one of My Real Sources trainers. And then as far as the agent notifications are concerned, simply make the same changes. And under your time frame, you can change the default time setting in your Preferences wizard. Under Preferences, just select Collab Center Preferences Wizard. So I'm not a fan of changing it every single time. You can also add a spouse or a secondary person on here. However, if I were to select it here, and if I did not have a spouse entered into their contact record, you'll see nothing populates. So I'll go ahead and select OK. And in her contact information, as I scroll down, you'll see Jeff is her husband, and I would add his email. And the green check to show that it looks like a good email address. I do not want to add him as the primary because she is the primary on this one. And select Save. So now once I go back to her search and into the settings, now that I select Spouse, Jeff appears. You can also add someone on the CC, but remember, no need to BCC yourself as you have your own agent notifications. I hope this has made the Collab Center a little easier for you to change those notifications and add a spouse.